Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. As you guys know, we are on vacation in Texas. We're in Galveston and we're finally on the beach.
And we're roasting.
And we're roasting. I don't know why we leave home and forget the sunscreen, so I don't know how we're going to manage. Poor Tyler.
Well, Tyler is sleeping right now.
He's already sleeping, but we're gonna make the best of the day and we're going to walk as much as we can to see what's around here. Let me just show you guys a sea walk. Bits. We might take Tyler into the water, but I don't think I might go in. So we're just going to enjoy the day, enjoy this hot day and see what's happening around here. As you guys see, we're always matching, so we're matching as usual.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, that's a good spot. We don't have to rent umbrella for under there. We don't have to rent umbrella for under there. So you wanna walk first or what you wanna do? Man, no sir. Baby. No sir, you can't walk in this. Listen, I had planned on walking this stretch of beach. As you can see, it's a long stretch. But listen, this sun is unbearable. Baby, can you manage to walk in this? If Babe walk in this sun without sunscreen, he's going to turn a lobster. I'm sure about it. And poor Tyler, I'm not willing to. No. I cannot walk with Tyler in this sun. Impossible. It's a beautiful view out here, but it's scorching hot. Scorching hot, man. This gaming place is supposed to open, but it's not yet. It's time for it to open, but it's not yet open. It's closed. So we're gonna hang around and see what time it's gonna open.
doing? Shirt wet.
Well, it will dry in no time or you wear no shirt at all.
We're drying the times. I don't wait for that. I'm gonna stay.
Hey, Papa! You love the water. You love the water. Mario, wait on the camera. This is a gaming thing in the middle of the water. It's so cool, but it's closed and we wanted to go over there. So hopefully we'll be open by the time we're ready to go. It have carousel and it have some other gaming stuff which looks very interesting but scary. I don't know if I would ever go on any of those rides, but it looks fun. Tyler! Appa! Bye-bye! Is what mess up his clothes. His shirt. His shirt. What mess up his shirt? His sand? Tyler doesn't want to get out the water at all. He's loving every minute of it. The good thing is I heard that Houston Beach, not Houston, I heard that Galveston Beach is always dirty. But it's kind of pretty here. I guess I won't catch the dirty look, but it's kind of pretty. We're loving it. Babe! Babe! Hold both hands! I said hold both hands. Because the heavy wave is gonna come at some point. Yeah. Woo! Woo! I can't catch it properly. It's dark. Look at him. Woo! Lift him, lift him, lift him. Ah, this one's so big. Wow. Oh my God. That was a heavy one. One big one's gonna come.